Welcome, my name is Philip King. Before we begin, I would like to ask a favor from you. If you like our videos, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Okay, let us begin. This video will show you how to add a widget to your WordPress.org website or blog. I'm using WordPress.org 5.2 for this demo, but the technique applies to any version of WordPress.org above version 3. Widgets are one of the best features of WordPress. WordPress widgets allow you to add both static and dynamic content to widget-ready areas of your WordPress theme. Such areas include your sidebar, header, and footer. To display a widget on your website, all you have to do is activate the widget plugin, drag the widget to the required widget zone, and then configure the widget. For this demonstration, I will be using a WordPress site hosted on localhost, but the process is exactly the same, whatever your site's location. In this tutorial, we will add an image to the WordPress sidebar using the WordPress image widget. This is one of the best WordPress widgets. It can be used for all sorts of purposes. For example, you could show a location map with Google Map link. At the moment, there is nothing displayed in the sidebar for this site, making the page visually uninteresting. Let's change that, by adding a nice image. Begin by going to the WordPress dashboard, and selecting, Appearance then Widgets. Examine the page and you will see the image widget. Click the Widgets drop-down arrow to display the widget menu. This will show the possible display locations for the widget. This will be different for each theme. In this case, we are placing an image in the sidebar. This is selected by default. So we just need to click the Add Widget button. This opens the widget in the sidebar panel ready for us to add our image. Let's do that now. Click the Add Image button. And select an image from the library. If required, you can add a title to the image. This is displayed above the image in the final rendering. You can also add a hyperlink to the image if needed. In this demo, I'm not going to add either. Let's click the Save and Done buttons, and view the results. Let's refresh the page to see our modifications. Well, in my opinion, that certainly makes the page more visually appealing. Do you agree? I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. You should also check out the King Solutions website, the links are below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.